welcome to another vlog. I am starting my morning with a liquid IV. The lemon lime flavor is my favorite. I just got my water, some ice. Sass is in my sink currently. I need some, I don't even know, but Sass says good morning. If you're new here, my name is Sierra. I'm 26 and I live in El Paso, Texas. My boyfriend is in the Air Force. I get to see him in 2 days. Today I thought I'd bring you with me to kind of prepare for a week away. Amazon ice roller, I'll link it. Oh, I'm sure everyone has one by now. Just ice roll, look at this peach. Ew, it's all shriveled. Gross, need to throw that away. Let's go get ready. That's gonna make me feel a lot better. Isn't flattering, but from far away I look rejuvenated and refreshed. This is my makeup. I'll put on some like chapstick, lip gloss in a little bit. I don't know what to wear today. We're gonna go really casual with it. This is the fit. Biker shorts, this green athletic shirt from Target. Now that I'm dressed, I'm going to lighten or fix some of my curls. Oh, that's kind of sour. Some heat protectant on my ends. I've been using the Alterna Hair Caviar Bond Repair Leave-In Heat Spray Protection. That's a mouthful. I'm not kidding you. My hair is naturally curly. It's brittle. It's dry. It sucks, honestly, and going blonde, you know, that kind of adds that extra element of damage. The Hair Caviar Anti-Aging Restructuring Bond Repair shampoo and conditioner, and I just can't believe how amazing it is. I've tried so many different shampoos and conditioners, and like, sure, some of them feel good, but like, I've never noticed results so quickly like I have with the anti-aging. Their whole entire like brand is freaking fab. I'm telling you, seriously, it's a game changer. I'm gonna finish my curls in fast speed. Kind of crazy right now, but that's okay. And that's that. Black Nike or white Nike. Or I'll go with the white one. My white one's dirty, but I'm kind of digging the white. Yeah, let's do white. Time for shoes! I went with my aw.ds Ultra Boosts, which are also dirty. So here's my fit. I'm back in the car. I think I'm just gonna go to the mall, honestly. I want to get a new pair of headphones. My AirPods are pretty shot. Like, I think they're donezo. I just got done shopping at the outlet mall. I'm gonna show you what I got. Number one, I went to Aerie, got green bathing suit bottoms, these yoga pants that are in this like green color as well. They have that V midsection belt waistline thing, and I got this cutie cute little tee of like a dancing flower person thing. How cute. Got 2 pairs of shoes. A pair of Converse that I'm hoping to wear with this cute outfit for when I see Dilly, because I wanted to wear sneakers, but I didn't have any in like a fun color. Look at these. Look how cute they are. They're like a light tan color platforms. So cute. And look at these. They're like color block Nikes, green everywhere. Blue, pink. I am obsessed with them. The last purchase I made was a pair of headphones. The Bose SoundLink headphones. And I'm so excited. I'm gonna unbox them right now. These were a lot less expensive than the Apple ones. I ended up going with the bows. They come in this cute little case. Oh my god, and they're so cute. And they have like the tan. Oh baby, how cute. Okay, I'm so excited. Do I look like a rock star? I'm excited, I'm pumped. Sass, stop it. Hi baby. That's my little shopping haul. I'm gonna take my vitamins. So I'm taking iron, skin and digestion, hair and libido, detox and de-bloat. Taking vitamins is worse than like taking shots. Don't at me. A healthy girl. I took a nap. What's new? I swear I take naps all the time. It's 7 o'clock p.m. I'm putting on my new sneakers. Guys, I'm obsessed with these. We're gonna go for a walk. I have my new headphones. Look at how cute these are. I'm losing my mind. What? They're so cute. All right, let's go for a walk. Today's gonna be kind of a whirlwind in and out day. I just wanted to say good morning. I'm so tired. I had a really hard time waking up this morning. I got my nails done. Like, look how cute are these. It's like a dark green, and then I did these two, excuse me, a light green, and then my rings from H&M. How cute are they? I'm so happy. I'm gonna get ready for work. Tomorrow's gonna be so bananas. I have 2 meetings with my clients before I go out of town. I have to get my oil changed. I need to clean my car. The list is long. Good morning, my loves. It is now Tuesday. We're leaving tonight for San Antonio. I found out that we have to be at Dylan's base graduation ceremony at 5 a.m. Right now, I'm gonna go get an oil change. This is my outfit, my new t-shirt from Aerie. How cute is this little dancing flower? Biker shorts, and then my new Converse. Sunwear Jones. Sunny says good morning. Don't lick me, crazy. Ew, ew, I hate when he licks my arms. But I love him. But I love him. I have had a wild morning. What am I doing now? Car wash. Ay, my life is chaos. She is clean. I don't like traveling with a messy car. You probably can't even hear with the AC. I just have so much hair that builds up in here, and I spend so much time in my car, so it just gets so dirty so fast. The flooring is here. Look at it. All those pallets, holy crap. How exciting. That was a long meeting. It's 1:30, I got there at noon. I don't have time for this. The flooring came in, but they're starting to install tomorrow, and they're repainting the island and mudroom, so that's good. I just got home from Target. I wanted to get new travel bags, so I got, it's the Weekender bag from Open Story Collection. It's like in this tan color. There is Lots of storage inside. And I also picked up the smaller of the two. This is super dope. This is gonna be my, like, whatever bag. I also grabbed 2 packs of socks. I love the Hanes high, whatever these are, socks. I wear them everywhere and every day. And a pair of ankle. I also made a liquid IV. Stop it. Be nice. Be nice. I'm gonna pick out outfits now. We get to leave so soon and see Dilly in like 15 hours. Yes, I'm counting down the hours because I just cannot wait to just like hug him, okay? I just wanna hug him. It's been 2.5 months of this guy being a pain in my can. That's what my grandpa says. So I need Dylan to come home to me. Outfit number 1, I got this cute romper from Princess Polly. I'm thinking this for the first day with my Converse. Here's the back, but I love that it's shorts so you know your legs don't stick together, and when I run and hug him, my booty won't come out. And here is option 2, another Princess Polly find. This dress I got on sale for like 14 bucks. So cute. And then in the back, it's completely open. So my thought was wearing these sneakers. Hold on. Making it super casual with maybe this linen shirt on top to kind of like casual it, make it casual. Everything is packed. In this bag I have jewelry, makeup, hair care, laptop, all my work stuff. That bag is a bag for Dylan, just a change of comfy clothes. Here I have all my clothes, my shoes. I've never in my life traveled with one bag, not gonna lie. My room is put together, ready for guests. Has been crazy. So much emotion, so much crying, so much excitement. We just spent 2 days with Dilly and it was so good. Holy crap. Needed it so much. I couldn't even pick up my camera because we were just so in the moment that I just couldn't. I tried to, but he had his graduation ceremony on Wednesday and Thursday was like their little parade swear-in situation, and then we just hung out. We went bowling and they have so many restrictions with the guys, so we couldn't really do much, but it was so nice. We no longer have to go without communicating, and so he has his phone now, but he's headed to Mississippi for his tech school to become a cybersecurity, homeboy, I guess. That was just the most special couple of days I've ever had, honestly. And I get emotional even just thinking about it. Right now, it's the next day. I'm at IKEA. I want to grab a couple of things for our apartment while I'm here. Okay, well, I'm done with that. But I also got a hot dog, my second one of the weekend, and I'm gonna try it. Ew, this ketchup is sticky. Oh, gross. Let's try. That's a good ass hot dog. Oh my god, this is so good. This, IKEA hot dogs, for the win.